Dr jingthmu iarap Nongpang TB, ke National Tuberculosis Elimination Program NTEP, kabadai hapoh skhim Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, ke ophis Tuberculosis Unit Mairang East and West Khasi Hills District. Haka arpulai tarik Nailar, kalapelong ke program Ioh Jingbam Nongpang TB, haka program balapelong ha MCH Hospital Mairang. Haka jingelang balapelong na kabenta ke jingthmu, ladon ringkat lang ke District Nodal Officer PMTBMBA Kong Bornali B ke Dr Soma Bhowmick Vice Chancellor ke Carey University Shillong, Bah Evan Marwein Pyiur Marbaniang ke Kong Magrita Lyngdoh, ke Dr Soma Bhowmick ke Kershan Borba ban penbiang Jingbam na kabenta ke Nongpang TB melasam haka ni program. Ke Dr Soma haka jingkeren ke penpau bakandang iarap kat bakala bat ban shimkia na kabenta ban penbit penbiang ya jingdang kam jing Nongpang TB. Kala kentui Nongpang ban long testa bat minot ban di kidawai ban shim ikila jing sumar kumala betha dik nong sumar ki ban katanat ka kwat ka kya ban duk kwat kloy na kani ke jingpang.
Sarok je teh Jingbam jengapat kalong ba mayok ke Jingbam kalong barang sedang kalong telot kentut teh hadir pan nak tes ke hospital ki ong bang mayok bang kipi teh minta pat ladan arpanai untuk ngeladi dawai minta nak kam snow climb sekolah pihak tan kita ku boleh cuba
ku boleh nang poi parok ni poi kompani poi nanti kilam ki sistem ni mek ke juga sistem ni PMTBMBA kadang-kadang kita berani melakukan tep, dan boleh tep kita dengan dalam boleh kita mikirkan kena punya bila alam kadang-kadang ngelang tinggi kadang kepala boleh kita barak ni hapan mek kong tapi dengan Thain Mairang we bro mà ni tep kan kadang white senam kong kadang wan terus tep ni lai terus di đây mình niam skhim ani đây mình keran di kadang-kadang nuk ong kawan em buru miala orang ini semua adalah doa. Ada kantam ni hab sini kita doktor lah. Letep boleh sap telah lagi bikin Somali. Om kan kabur boleh kira kena Malay. Ada kantam ni lah boleh suka kebelah. Ni kibam ni.
Soma Bhowmick kuble everybody. Upin Jilla Shillong but thank you ma'am. I don't know, it's a little shy. It's okay. TB patients, it's very difficult problem, okay, health problem. So everybody has to take care of the health, eat properly. So I'm just doing my bit, my duty to help my fellow citizens of the country. So just doing my bit as an individual, nothing from the university, my individual effort. Only 5 people only I am being able to support, not many people. So little bit only like eggs and fruits and anything nutritious, milk, which will affect your health positively. I request everybody to take care of your health and be happy. And I am actually thankful to Madam and also everybody, all support staff here, that I got this opportunity. Okay, I'm here today and just to see you. I will probably not be able to come every time, but my wishes are always with you. And you must take care of your health, and anything that you feel problem, you have to tell Madam regarding your vocational training, dawai, kaba, you have to tell her, and you just tell them that I'll send twice, like 2 months every time, like that. And yeah, I was there in West Khasi Hills for 1 year, but now hopefully I want to be here for longer period. Let's see. Is the wishes of the Almighty, how He guides our path, which way He takes us, and that's all. Just praying for your health. God bless you.